What's up everybody, this is Scott. Welcome back to another video, and yet again a mad dash for me to get video content out about the Google products that just came out. This video is going to be about the Google Slate tablet, so I apologize, I'm actually looking off camera at notes because I am actually still at the Google event filming this for you. So yeah, let's go ahead and get it started. The Google Slate tablet is absolutely beautiful. During the presentation we got to see exactly what it can and cannot do. Think the Pixel book from last year, only in Slate form, but has a tablet keyboard thing that you can kind of put it in. It looks amazing. So the chipset in these come in, looks like 4 different varieties. There's a Celeron that's 32 gig storage, 4 gigabytes of RAM that come in at $599. There's a Core M3 64 gigabyte version with 8 gigs of RAM, that's $799. There is a Core i5 128 storage, 8 gigabytes of RAM, that's $999. And then there's a Core i7 with 256 gigs of storage and 16 gigs of RAM, which is odd that they don't have more storage with that, because that thing could be a workhorse when it comes to maybe content or photos. I don't know, throwing it out there. The camera on the front is both 8 megapixels on the front, 8 megapixels on the back. The front is actually a wide angle, kind of like that Google Pixel 3 where you can get more view, great for video chats and things like that. And the Slate is one of the best looking tablets that I've seen to date. Maybe this is something that's about shots fired at the iPad Pro, I'm not entirely sure, but the device itself is not very large. Think about it, it's about your prototypical iPad size. There's no headphone jack, it only has a USB-C port on the side, and it has front-firing speakers that come out, but I'm a little confused as to why it doesn't have a headphone jack. It's almost like, that just seems a little odd to me. One cool feature is the fingerprint sensor, or the power button actually is a fingerprint sensor. That way when you hold it and press it like you're going to try to open up and turn on the actual tablet itself, it actually just unlocks for you, no big deal, which is super, super convenient. The keyboard actually looks like it locks into place. There's actually no pairing, which is really, really great. I had a Pixel tablet way back in the day that was always kind of messing up with pairing. I had to take it on, take it off. They seem to have eliminated that issue. And this keyboard comes in a full backlit keyboard, which is a quiet keyboard. Seems like it's shots fired at, I don't know, a MacBook Pro from clickety-clacking and make everybody mad. The keyboard actually doubles as a protective case as well. I really like this. I'm not a tablet person. I'm a phone and a MacBook Pro, but I actually really like this version. If I were somebody that didn't create content, the tablet would be something that I would utilize because I could use Android apps as well as kind of the features of having that full keyboard. So I talked about the price, the availability date. It actually will be available on October 18th. And I already told you about the prices. So yeah, that's kind of the latest and greatest, the very first look at the Google Slate tablet.